In this video, I'm giving you an honest review of Binance Pool, how it works, its pros and cons, and what you should know before using it. Binance Pool is the mining arm of the Binance ecosystem, supporting major proof-of-work coins like Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum Classic, and others. It offers competitive fees ranging from about 0.5% to 3%, depending on the coin, and uses the FPPS, full paper share, payout model, which pays miners both block rewards and transaction fees for better average returns. Payouts are credited daily to your Binance Pool wallet, and you can easily transfer them to your spot wallet for trading or withdrawal. One standout feature is the Smart Pool, which automatically switches between coins like BTC, BCH, and BSV based on profitability, ideal for maximizing mining efficiency without manual adjustments. However, it's not without drawbacks. Miners with lower hash power or high electricity costs may find profits slim after fees and operational expenses. Some users have reported occasional payout delays or minor discrepancies between estimated and received rewards. Performance can also vary based on location. Miners far from Binance servers may experience higher latency or stale shares. And since Binance Pool requires full KYC verification, users in restricted regions may face access limitations or withdrawal hurdles. Overall, Binance Pool is a reliable and user-friendly option for serious miners already in the Binance ecosystem, offering stable payouts and strong integration. But for small-scale miners or those outside Binance-supported regions, other pools may offer better efficiency. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more honest and data-driven insights on crypto platforms.